Welcome everybody to Express. In today's guide, let's explore Miro, a powerful tool for collaboration and brainstorming in a digital space. Ideal for team workers, workshops, or even personal organizations. So Miro interactive whiteboards can revolutionize the way you work and think. This 2023 tutorial designed for beginners, so let's dive into the world of the Miro and see how it enhances your productivity and creativity. So let's get started. Now, introduction to the Miro and signing up. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform that allows users to visualize, share, and collaborate on ideas. So the first things first, I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below in the description so we can all get started with the free version. That is great in order to get started. So once you sign it up, you'll be taken to the Miro dashboard. You might be seeing something like this, like where would you like to get started with the Gantt charts, task tracking, user journey mapping, mind maps, retrospective, and brainstorming. Usually what everybody does is to choose to start from scratch. So we're now in. Now navigating the Miro dashboard. The Miro dashboard is your control center. Here you can create your new boards, access templates, see your recent project. So to start a new project, you want to go and click into create, and even you can get started with some templates. I'm going to go for all the templates. And as you can see, we do have, for example, the visual table, we do have Scamper, sticky note pages, timeline, mind mapping, sitemaps, and all of that. So let's go for brain warming, writing, of course, I choose to use. And what would you like to use it, or a trackpad or a mouse? I'm gonna go for mouse. And here we go. As you can see, we scroll down to zoom out, we scroll up to zoom in, we right clicked and drag to move like this. It actually looks great. So begin by editing your text here. Now the basic of creating and using Miro board, once you open your new board, you create to the blank canvas. So Miro's toolbar on the side offers a tool like sticky notes, shapes, arrows, text boxes. You can click and drag the elements onto your board and use a sticky note for brainstorming, shapes for diagrams, and arrows to show connection between ideas. So let's say for example that I want to go and add a new sticky note. So I click it, and I choose, let's say, something like blue. So I move this and paste it here, for example. Now here, let's go for idea number one. Let's go and paste it. Due date, let's say 25th of August. And there we go. So I choose all of it. I go for the font size. I make this, there we go, like this. And there we go. So here is my sticky note. You can just arrows so you can connect between a lot. So for example, from this to here, participant 2 is in the idea improvement, for example. So that's something that everybody does here inside the Miro, which I think is really great. So collaborating in real time. Now Miro shines in real-time collaboration to invite others to your board. What you want to do is to click into the share button, the blue one that appears in here. And here, what you want to do is to send the invitation link to your team. So collaborators can join and start adding their ideas immediately here. So you choose invite, beamed, published. So in my case, I'm going to just invite my team. So I copy the team invite link, and everyone with the team are able to not view, comment, but edit as well. So you copy it and you're actually good to go. You can choose anyone with the link that you wanted to, and you can change it from can view and copy the board and all of that. So I just go back, I hit the next, and as you can see, we have like an interactive way of how we can get started with some text, emojis, how to select multiple items, how to auto arrange, how to get a few feedback if you wanted to. So it actually has a lot of common stuff that you can use, even text, as you can see here. Tag number 1. Hit into create, we're actually good to go. So it actually looks really great. It's a really amazing tool where you can get started with. Usually what I do a lot is to use templates so I don't feel like I don't know what I'm doing and I'm messing around a lot of stuff. So there you have it, guys, and that's the basic introduction to use Miro for beginners. Save your board to have the board description, owner, created, duplicated, and shared, and you can even change your thumbnail. So the Miro flexibility makes it a fantastic tool for the wide range of applications from professional through personal. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Express for more tech tutorials. Have any specific questions or Mario or tips to use, you can set them to the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy collaborating. Stay tuned to Express for more helpful and informative content. Once again, guys, hopefully we can all see you next time.